So everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you combine those animals that we already learned to draw. So first of all, let's start by making the basic shapes in creating your work. So first off, the chicken. Chicken usually stay in on the ground. So we're going to make the chicken like I already shown you how we make the chicken and chicks, but for this one I'm going to make a chicken like this with its leg like that, its beak, and like that. And yeah, and then we're going to make also a bird. The bird that I already showed you was the bird that stays in the on top of the branch, but now we're going to make with the same method the bird which is actually flying. How about that? First make the head and then make the body and give its wing, but since we're going to make it like it's flying, so we're going to make it like this. Give some curve like we're making arrows, I mean clouds, and give it for the tail. And since it is flying, the feet will be going backwards like this. That's the bird. And also the cat, we can make the cat from around here. I'm going to use another color so you guys can see the difference. Let's use a pink for the cat. And here we go. The cat starts with, actually I want to make the cat is walking, kind of walking. Let's put its head over here and the body over here. Give its nose, its mouth, the eyes, since it's walking. So we're going to put the ears like this, give the tail like this, give the legs. How many legs does cat have? It has 4 legs, and like that. You can also color them not with the full color, but you can put shapes in your drawing like what I'm going to do now. Okay, so going to put the chicken colored, well, red probably okay. For the top of the head I'm just using the lines, also for its thingy jerky. And then we're going to use the color. I'm going to use color pencil, so it's mixed material. Color the beak and also the bird's beak like that. And so yeah, I actually forgot to draw the other feet of the chicken. Since it's a hand, so we have some of the chicks following it. Yeah. With its little feet going on around this at the back of its mother. There you go. So to make it complete, we'll make another one right over here, but I think I want it to look like it's eating down from the ground like that. Yeah. So the whole artwork is in a whole, like they are intercorrelated all together. And to emphasize that, I'm going to give another color for the bird. Let's give it.
And I wanted to give the color, curving color for its wing. Now remember kids, you don't have to follow to imitate all the things that I do, but this is just for your reference. And you can also make another kind of drawing, this using the shape and the lines and everything. So I want you guys to keep on being creative and don't stop where you are, keep improving, and eventually you'll get better and even better than what I am already capable of right now. So, and I'm going to give the cat there and right there. So I'm using a marker because I want you guys to see everything properly, but you can use whatever media that's necessary for you guys, if possible. Like what I'm going to make right here, I'm going to mix this cat with using a color pencil. I'll give it orange, and just like that. You can color it all you want, however you want, but it would be better if whenever you're coloring, you don't go out of the edge of the object that you are coloring, yeah? Why? Because it will look nicer, and it doesn't go everywhere. Just follow the lines, and just like that. If you happens to get out of the line a little bit, you can get away with it, but if it's too much, I think it's better if you use erasers to correct your work, but I suggest if you do it right from the start, you won't be using eraser or some of the other things that will have you to correct your mistakes. So just like that, and I'm going to keep how about we color the chick with purple? Oh, actually, I'm going to give it a little circles for this chicken. Circles. And for its eyes, it's better with a bigger circle. Well, it's a dot basically. And for this chicken, I'm going to give a color green. Let's make it a bit wavy. Yeah, just like that. Wavy chicken. And for this big chicken, I'll give it, let's get the color book. Straight wavy. Just like that. And for the variation, we can also add a thickness. Like this. Oh, if you're coloring it with this, better if you color it properly, so there's a like that. So, as for the background, I prefer to have a fully colored artwork. So, in addition for the volume of the bird, like this. So, then again, children, you can be creative and use what I already teach as a reference. Don't just imitate what I did, but make it as a reference and be creative with your work. And just like that. So, for the whole area, I'm just going to give it a ground like. It depends on what you're going to make. It depends on what you want to tell with your artwork. So you can use, you don't have to fully color it, not fully color. You don't have to bear in mind about giving the color into your background because it will add the thickness and the other things. And yeah, so this is what we've done with the artwork that we made. And there you go. You can add some more with grass probably, just like that. Give it wavy lines. Add some variation. And yeah, so this is just an example. I hope you guys understand what I mean, and I'll be expecting you guys to. And with this, I hope you guys could improve your skills in drawing and in coloring.